So, pag ito ay closed approach, ito ay isang incision sa loob po, no? At hindi natin siya isasabay sa margins ng lower lateral cartilage, no? Kumbaga ito ay around the sides of the ala, which could become the alar rim, an alar rim incision. Okay? So, yan lang po, kadali. Ang purpose po nito is to preserve the lateral nasal artery, which is the major blood supply on the nasal tip. Okay, converse please. So, pag maganda po ang iyong blood supply, ay mas maganda po ang ating ang chances na mabubuhay po ay yung ating nasal tip graft. Okay? So, yan po, naglagay po tayo ng packing. So, kung makikita nyo, it's just along the border of the columella, no? So, it's above the lower lateral cartilage, no? So, ganyan po ang paggawa ng nasal tip surgery. 2-prong, please. 2-prong. Now, it also limits the pocket. So, you can see, as you go here, you connect it already, no? On that portion. And then,